You getting the oil change? And this shit's expensive. Oil change, new wipers, all types of shit, man. Good morning to the broke Scat. Breaking my pockets. Shit. Good morning, Glow Scat members, subscribers. We at 887 subscribers, man. Tap into your boy. Glow Scat charging, man. You feel me? Shit's expensive out here, man. Money's killing me like a motherfucker, man. Day in life. My boy's hooking me up, man. Feel me? Started. Man, today in life, Glow Scat 617, riding dirty-ish. Yes, sir. It's the Glow Man. Get some gas type shit. Nah, this nigga wanna go, nigga. What the fuck, bro? I hate when niggas do dumb shit, bro. My bad, y'all. This nigga did some dumb shit just now, nigga. So let's go say what the fuck. But nah, yeah, we better get some gas. We just did the oil change type shit. Gas now. Got podcasts coming soon type shit. Let's just turn this shit off. This shit, so. So the gas shit. There we go. Look at that, boy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the wipers, too. They so smooth. Look, just look. Ooh, that window's clean now. That window's clean now. Alright, we about to fucking do our fucking gas. Any nigga in the spill. Put that 93 in your shit, alright? But we gonna pay, though. I want 45 of this motherfucker. Let me get 45 on 6, boss. So yeah, don't give a shit. Come through. Fuck it up. 93, nigga. Fool that bitch up. That niggas, what the fuck with you? Start feeling. See that shit? 45, man.
Just found out about the freshness guarantee.
You know that shit. We'll be your talkers, nigga. Yeah, sure, man. You see it. You see it. Gotta pump. I need to bring y'all more some content, too. 392 game, man. You feel me? It's been a while. I ain't make a blog in a minute. But I'm okay, guys. Been doing some shit for me. I need to get my car fixed and everything. Glow Scat just got the oil change. I was on 4%. Fucking, what else? Yeah, I got oil change, putting gas in my shit. I moved into my new apartment. I'll be on the podcast. I might blog that shit too. What else? Fucking, I was telling myself I start swearing. What else? New windshield wipers after like 2 years now. Almost, yeah, 2 years now. It's crazy. It's a hood Scat, so you know. I just do the hood things that we can't afford it, but we can afford it. We just being cheap. But we almost at 45 though. It should be at 200. time I get there, I just need a gas because my apartment and complex is mad far and shit. But yeah, anyways, yeah, that shit's almost there. Ooh. You know what that means? When it's stopping like that, this shit's full. About to gush. Watch when I start the baby up though. Baby up. Broke. Oh shit. Look, guys. It's at 271. It's almost full for the first time. Oh my god. You think it'll last till Tuesday? Yeah, it will. If I don't drive today. But yeah. Hit y'all with the vlogs, man. It's been a minute, man. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. Everybody be looking at my shit. Hell yeah. Out. Wanna hear that shit? Yes, sir. Yeah, you see the vision? Oh shit, my coat. Hold on. Shit got stuck. See the vision in this shit? That vision is crazy, man. I can't be like Vontae shit when he did this and shit, feel me? Feel me? I can do a little bit, you feel me? It's green light, everybody going slow though. What we doing though? Like, what the fuck was you doing, nigga? Bah. Boom, bah. Man, we just got some gas. I'm not gonna hit you. Man, we chilling. It's cold. It's like 39 outside. I just have to buy some stuff for the new Glow station. It's not called apartment. It's called the Glow. What the fuck is that? Where he on? Where he on? He on shit? Oh, he ain't on shit. He ain't on shit. I'm about to say he on shit. He ain't on shit. I like when I do that shit. But nah, we just chilling right now. I'm trying to rap my shit too. Once I get a good rap, stay tuned. Dogs. And we back. POV vibes. Going to the crib. See ya. This man Stadies out too. I'm ready to put my ass on. Yo. Woo woo. That's the sound of the police. Let's be chilling though. Gotta have fun sometimes. Not even sometimes, all the time. Have fun and serious at the same time. Feel me? Life too short. Waking up all fucked up. Bare. Being the asshole all the time ain't get you nowhere. Being by yourself. But yeah, man, we headed to the Glow station. That's what I call it. The Glow Sanctuary. Whatever y'all want to call it. But your man's back, POV. highway-ish drive, I guess, that we so-called driving to the Spizai. Everybody just get out my way. But nah, we be there in the Jippy. Shit, we just chilling right now. All the cars are cutting up. It's Saturday. Happy Saturday. And shit. Hope y'all enjoying the day. Over here it's cold though. Cold, but sun popped out off and on. It's cold. I ain't do a vlog in a minute. Now I'm back to it. I mean, shit be happening. I ain't gonna hold you. It's just, man, shit be happening. Just gotta take it day by day, step by step. Then your prayers will be answered. For real, for real. The new glow Scat model coming soon. We almost got, not almost, but we need to get 1K subscribers. Yeah, I need a like, subscribe, comment. I don't care if you don't even fuck with me. If you don't like me, you know what I'm saying? Hit that subscriber button, you feel me? There should be content coming soon, though. Yeah, there should be content coming soon. After everything clear. Then I got y'all. Stay tuned, stay woke, stay alert. That's the sign of the Scatiana. A snack pack yana. I call my shit the snack pack, the dinner pack. You know what I'm saying? Like, you name it, a lunch pack. Oh, dogs. Yes, sir. Let's get to it. Let's move it. Yo, this I like this highway, but it's like, yo, this shit got a lot of turns and shit. You fuck up, your ass is fucking grass, nigga. Dead ass, your ass is grass. You hit a pothole wrong way, shit's grass. For real, but it's beautiful outside though. Hear that? You hear that? That scat hell? Oh, dogs, nigga, stop playing. Give y'all some POV drives and shit. I don't even know what to eat though, but damn. We gonna find something though. Now we want this one. Yeah, it's low. Yeah, sure. Man, shit, this shit look like we're going to New York, nigga. Feel me? Feel me? These niggas like, yo, this nigga doing some shit. Yeah, bitch. Man, that motherfucking packing up. Pack them up. Oh, these niggas is dicks. Fuck ass nigga. I'm sorry. But they just did some fluky. We gotta get behind that BMW, dogs. Somebody cutting up back there. And I need to get new brakes. My shit's just trash. Oh my god! That little truck wanted some smoke. Little ass shit. Nigga, I dust your little ass. Fuck you thought? Hit my shit, nigga. Fuck wrong with them boys? I'm in your city, nigga. Come look.